So, ton of awesome stuff. Harley-Davidson sent us. It is the machine cut Empire collection. I already did kind of a overview video. I'll link to it in the description below, but we've got a bike behind us, as you see. We got heated grips. We got us floorboards. We've got us highway pegs, shifters. We got mirrors. Oh, that's gonna look good. Derby cover. Ooh, pops on that chrome. Nice machine cut. Anyways, we've got some other cool stuff too. 2017 Road Glide behind me. This is Brad Johnston's Bike of Oregon. He is a patron member. One of the many benefits of being a patron member, I'll link to it in the description below, but he won a raffle in the private Facebook group. We didn't want to keep all this stuff. We wanted to give back to the community, so we're going to put all these parts. He left his bike and he took the Law-Abiding Biker 2007 Night Train back to Oregon. We're putting Brad on the one of the extra bikes here, the 07 Night Train, and I'm guessing that it might not be as comfortable as your Road Glide.
You know,
dude, you're gonna feel young again.
It will.
You're gonna feel like a young man.
Invigorating experience, yeah. I'm sure.
No fairing, facing the breeze.
I put the chin curtain back in my helmet to try to like get the quiet a little bit, but yeah, it should be a good ride. Should be a good ride.
Excited to see your bike with the Empire collection on there?
Yes, I think it's gonna look beautiful.
It's gonna look badass. I can't wait to get installing them. Quality stuff, this Empire collection. All right, Brad, when you return, we'll have the Empire collection on your bike.
I look forward to it.
Be safe because you're riding into the eye of the storm on a no windshield, no fairing bike.
All good.
All right. See you on the flip side. Yo, where are you going?
Hey,
what are we installing first on this bike?
We're going to install the foot pegs. I should say the highway pegs, the floorboards, passenger floorboards, the derby cover, primary cover. I think that'll be a good start. Yeah?
You think you can handle it?
I think so.
Rock on. Oh, and real quick, Lurch is still getting some stuff ready, but a lot of man-hour, effort, and expenses going to keeping this channel going strong, of course. I already mentioned one of the benefits of becoming a patron member. If you want to become a patron member, I'll link to it in the description below, but t-shirts, stickers, you get into the private Facebook group, which is a troll-free zone, nothing but bikers helping bikers. You get access to live video broadcasts and chat podcasts, early premium videos up on request, and of course those ride, meetup, and events. We appreciate you considering becoming a member, and I'll link to it in the description below. You ready yet, Lurch?
Yo,
good God. Beautiful machine cut highway pegs Empire collection. Let's get those installed, huh? Very nice. Gonna love those. Next is the machine cut shifter peg. Sexy. Lurch.
Yo.
How many horsepower do you think the shift lever added?
Shift lever, I'd say maybe 1 horsepower.
What's popping next, Lurch?
The primary cover, that thing's beautiful.
Louie the shop dog helping us today. Get it. Off with the passenger floorboards, on with the new Empire collection. Of course, we got passenger floorboards. Time to do the rider floorboards. If you feel these things are like
substantial.
They're substantial piece of steel. Lurch.
Yo.
Did you know you're balding on top?
Oh, I know that. I've been doing balding for a while, my friend.
Lurch, how is the install going over here?
It's going good. We got the rear passenger floorboards on, the driver floorboards on. Now we're putting the timing cover on.
Off with the old, in with the new. And one timing cover installed, bringing it all together. But we got one more part to really bring it together. Ooh, get that out of the box.
Machine cut brake?
Machine cut brake pedal pad thing.
Yeah, that.
And if you don't do passenger floorboards, there are passenger peg replacements. Again, Empire Collection, machine cut. You could put them on there. What we got now, Lurch?
We got some machine cut Harley-Davidson mirrors.
All right, we are on day 2 of the Empire Collection install because we couldn't get it all done. Oh yeah, we got machine cut heated grips. Just know that the Empire Collection also has non-heated grips if you're interested in those. You're never gonna believe who showed up at the law-abiding biker shop and studio. Just because he happens to be in the area, patron member Russell Roberts. You just here to chill and watch? You gonna get you can do some wrenching?
I'll help you out.
All right, sweet.
We'll have some fun.
Good to see you, man.
You too, brother.
Awesome. All right, guys, don't forget we have a very popular and detailed Hardy brand heated grips install video. Has helped a ton of bikers around the world. I will link to it in the description below if you want to put on heated grips. Definitely you can do it. You don't need to pay a dealership. lawabidingbiker.com/buy videos is where all our premium videos reside. When everything I'll ever do, I do for you. And I go la 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 la. She's got the look. Naked to the bone as a lover's disguise, banging on the